aboard the alphabet adventure. Today's spotlight shines on the awesome letter A. The image explains the word abbreviate as making a word shorter. It shows a girl pointing to the word doctor and its short form DR, helping kids understand how long words can be shortened. The image explains the word abdicate as giving up power, especially by a king. It shows a king stepping away from his throne, helping kids understand that abdicate means the king chooses to stop being in charge. The image explains the word abdicate as not doing your duty. It shows a man ignoring his responsibility and throwing papers away, helping kids understand that abdicate means someone didn't do what they were supposed to. The image explains the word abdomen as the part of the body below the chest. It shows a boy pointing to his tummy and a girl holding her stomach, helping kids understand where the abdomen is and what it means when it hurts. The image explains the word abate as something becoming less strong. It shows the wind slowing down and two children watching, helping kids understand that abate means things like wind or noise can get softer or calmer. The image explains the word abduct as taking someone without asking. It shows a man trying to take a child who looks scared, helping kids understand that abducting means taking someone without permission. And that's our amazing A list of words. Keep exploring. The alphabet has plenty more wonders ahead.
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.